Good morning everyone. Introduced, my name is Gede Kesuma from 12 Social 2 to the Honorable Memeta as an English language practice examiner and to all my friends of High School 79 Jakarta that I am proud of. On this occasion, I would like to present material about flood, this natural disaster, to complete language practice assignment presentation English. Enjoy this video everyone. Definition of flood. Flood is the overflowing of a river stream due to water exceeding the capacity of the river storage, so that if overflow and inundates the plain of lower area around it. When flood occur frequently. Flood in Indonesia generally occur due to the rainy season due the west mentioned winds that move from Asia to the Australia continent, which caused the Indonesian territory to experience the rainy season between October until April, which is at risk of causing flooding if all the facility systems regarding this flood are inadequate. Where flood occur frequently. Flood in Indonesia generally occur in areas such as the Jakarta, Subang, South Kalimantan, and other areas in the lowlands. The cause of flood. 1. Rain that falls constantly with high intensity of rain. 2. Due to soil erosion. 3. People throw garbage carelessly, also inadequate waste management. 4. The condition of a land of surrounding plants. 5. Because the development is not well ordered. Flood impact. 1. Health problems, which usually attack human skin. 2. Loss of property and other economic losses. 3. Difficulty in finding clean water. 4. Community activities are disrupted. 5. The emergence of casualties. Flood prevention effort. 1. Dispose of garbage is in place. 2. Create an adequate drainage area. 3. Plant trees in the surrounding area as a water catchment area. 4. Build a building or construction to prevent floods like dams or reservoirs. And 5. Open green areas at points that are prone to flooding. Suggestion and conclusion. Flood is a natural thing to happen, especially in areas that are in the lowlands, and also due to the high intensity of rain that occur in an area. But in my opinion, human behavior itself should be changed in order to minimize the occurrence of this flood disaster, either by disposing it, garbage is in the place, creating water catchment areas, and etc. Because basically humans themselves can prevent flooding from happening through their behavior, and also need cooperation between the community and the government for this effort so that flood, especially in affected areas, can be handled properly so that it does not cause concern as well as seriously impact on all societies. Just the presentation video from me. Hopefully it can be useful and can add insight to all friends. Thank you for watching this video, especially to Memita. Goodbye everyone, and thank you. Don't blame each other, blame ourselves. We as a human, why can't we take care of the environment? Instead of blame each other, let's help and strengthen each other. May the flute reset quickly. Irsyad Mukmana.